the little tractor's AC, this little expansion valve here, is needing replaced. I'm fairly certain that's what's wrong with the AC. We'll find out here in a little bit, but that top has to come off, and then we'll swap that thing out and pull a vacuum on it and fill her up and see what we get. Remember what in the world I would have scraped under with the little red tractor. Weird. It wasn't the door. One, I don't think it'd leave green paint. Could have been something out in the trees. Anyway, kind of weird. You'd think I'd remember running into something that low. Evidently not. Looks like mice may have been up here. Who'd have thunk? Mice out here. That's silly talk. There's a wiper motor. I was in here before, but I don't think I took whatever that door goes to out. Maybe I did. I probably did. Anywho, gotta take that off to get that guy out. I will probably grab the new one and make sure the tubes look like they're the right size. But I'm getting close. Brandy asked if I was explaining things, and I had a little bit till now. You'll note the old one's out, the new one looks close. Pretty sure not quite. We will find out here in about half a second. Let's just find out right now. Nope, not enough hands. Yep, there's enough hands. So, no go. That super sucks. I was telling Brandy before this that I was either a genius or a dum-dum. Turns out I'm a dum-dum. The alternate part number on Mahindra's website showed this guy, but clearly his output is not quite right. That's kind of interesting though. You can see the nozzle in that guy, and not so much in that guy. Nowhere does he appear to be down in that tube somewhere. Wonder if that's why he no worky. Because there's spring of a thing, like on the other one, like on that one, but no nozzle. Unless the nozzle looks different or somewhere else, or lots of other AC things that I know nothing about. Anywho, I will try to look for one of those again. So the Mahindra one was a couple $100. This was $20 on Amazon using the Mahindra Parts Books alternate number. And this is for, what did I say, a Kia or something like that little car. So alternate meaning close but not quite maybe this time. little comparison of Amazon alternate part number versus Mahindra actual part number. It really was really close. Just one fitting off, size off. Gauges connected up, and when the vacuum's on, it's set up, pull in a vacuum, high sides at 30 inches mercury, low side is slowly getting there. So once it gets there, then the sound of the little pump changes sounds. I'll probably leave it running a few minutes afterwards just to make sure, and then turn it off and make sure we don't lose vacuum, meaning there's a leak somewhere, and go from there. So the way things worked out, it ends up that we are the next day, and both sides, I know that looks like it's a little bit not 30 inches of mercury vacuum, and it's not, but it never was. Anyway, a lot of words to say. The next day we're still at the same vacuum we left it at, so that is absolutely awesome. Appears to be no leaks. That would be the only thing on the place that doesn't leak if it turns out that way. So I'll charge it up and we'll see if the AC works. That would be pretty sweet.
I got the 2 pounds plus a little that it was supposed to be in it of refrigerant. And it's pretty nice and cool. Probably could use a little more cool, but it's pretty hot today. So anyway, to slice it, I think I'm done because from my memory, yeah, high side around 300 and low side under 50 is about where you want to be. And the compressor kind of non-stop, so I'll put it back together and be good to go.